Here we are!
Oh my gosh, so Feliz!
We're going on an adventure!
Adventure number 2!
And it's cold! But it's
cold.
gonna be so fun!
We're in Northwest Mass, so we're ready!
Yeah! The concert's over.
It's so bad.
We're stuck in a massive sea of people.
It's like the scariest thing ever.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, 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 paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
Did you just wake up, lovies?
Amethyst, not now.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this.
This is really weird.
Can I please record you two with your hats on? Because this is the cutest thing that's ever happened in the history of ever.
Hat club.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Gary, you should move your bag. You're ruining the video
Everyone
process.
say hi all at once.
Hey, Sam.
What?
Say hi.
Smile.
Put this in a video.
It's really close to my face.
You could zoom it out.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh my gosh, that is close. With this thing?
What's this music festival called?
Winter Jam.
Winter Jam.
Winter jam.
Because we jam and it's winter.
Oh, hey guys, look at the camera.
Hey.
So thrilling.
Now that it's not so zoomed in.
Okay, I think we're good.
Yeah, you can stop.